On the edge of the Red Sea, a $50 billion titan is about to reshape global trade forever. This is Oxagon, the world's largest floating industrial city, powered entirely by artificial intelligence. An elite crew of specialists arrived to execute the most ambitious marine project in human history. Phase 1 demanded the brutal excavation of 50 million cubic meters of earth. They carved a massive channel, wide enough to swallow the world's largest cargo ships. It required raw manpower and relentless endurance under the blistering desert sun. Every ounce of dredged material was repurposed, expanding the shoreline to host a massive industrial hub. 19 meters deep, these trenches form the arteries of a new global supply chain.
With the foundation laid, the real engineering marvel was about to begin. To anchor the port, engineers designed 4 kilometers of impenetrable quay walls.
Thousands of massive concrete blocks were lowered into the deep to build an indestructible barrier. Precision was critical. A single millimeter of error could compromise the entire structure. Beneath the surface, a fortress of concrete was locked together to withstand the ocean's fury.
Advanced stress tests ensured these walls would survive for centuries. But a port was only the beginning. The next step was defying gravity and water.
The design called for a revolutionary split, half on land and half floating freely on the Red Sea. Fabricating the floating platforms required the strongest steel and the most skilled hands. These massive buoyancy tanks were built onshore in a state-of-the-art modular assembly line.
Inside, a complex honeycomb design guarantees unsinkable stability.
Moving these colossal structures to the water required the largest transport vehicles on Earth. Crews prepared the modules for their journey into the unforgiving ocean.
One by one, the floating foundations were dragged out to sea. Millions of tons of steel, perfectly engineered to conquer the waves.
On the surface, these individual platforms were locked together to form an unbreakable grid.
Locking the city together was a battle of raw strength against the shifting tides. The joints were designed to flex, absorbing the violent energy of the ocean rather than fighting it. The joints were designed to flex, absorbing the violent energy of the ocean rather than fighting it. A new piece of land had been created, not from Earth, but from pure human ingenuity.
But this wasn't just steel. It was a living, breathing machine embedded with thousands of AI sensors.
With the floor laid, automated construction vehicles took over the heavy lifting.
Human engineers commanded advanced 3D printing robots to build the city's superstructure.
Layer by layer, the buildings rose using next-generation sustainable materials. The floating city began to take shape at a record-breaking pace.
Simultaneously, the port of Neom prepared to activate its terminal. Gigantic, fully automated remote control cranes were installed along the quay. These aren't ordinary cranes. They are the physical hands of the city's central AI.
From miles away, operators can control the machines with absolute precision.
the world's first fully automated port logistics hub was officially online.
Below ground, a magnetic grid guides autonomous vehicles to transport cargo instantly. This automation eliminates delays, turning Oxagon into a hyper-efficient trade artery. For the United States and global markets, this means unprecedented speed in the supply chain. But a city of this magnitude demands an unimaginable amount of power. The solution? A 100% renewable energy grid. Millions of solar panels were deployed to harvest the brutal desert sun. Giant wind turbines were erected to capture the relentless coastal gales.
This limitless clean energy flows into a massive, centralized grid. But the crown jewel of Oxagon's energy strategy is the green hydrogen plant. Built to be the largest on the planet, this facility is an absolute game changer. This zero-emission fuel is stored in massive, hyper-pressurized steel spheres. Using pure renewable energy, colossal electrolyzers split water to create green hydrogen. Hydrogen will power the city's heavy transport, leaving zero carbon footprint. It will also be exported globally, positioning Saudi Arabia as the king of clean energy. To sustain life and industry, a massive seawater desalination plant was constructed.
Processing 1 million cubic meters a day, it guarantees absolute water security. Inside, Industry 4.0 takes over, where robots build the machines of tomorrow.
A 1 gigawatt hyperscale data center serves as the city's digital brain. Miles of fiber optics connect every machine, port, and building to the central AI. The city's unique octagonal shape allows ships to sail directly into the industrial core. Beneath the waves, the Blue Economy Zone is constructed to study and protect marine life. Human intervention is carefully managed to preserve the Red Sea's delicate ecosystem.
The floating design ensures that the ocean floor remains untouched and vibrant. As dawn breaks, the sheer scale of Oxagon becomes undeniable. This is not just construction, it is a rapid deployment of the future.
Tens of thousands of jobs are being created, drawing top-tier talent from across the globe. Beneath the streets, autonomous high-speed transit moves people and goods instantly.
The sky above is filled with automated delivery drones, completing the logistics web.
Vessels are guided entirely by AI, eliminating human error in the port. Security is absolute, blending human vigilance with cutting-edge surveillance.
An invisible net of thermal and laser sensors protects the $50 billion investment. Oxagon is not just for machines. It is designed for 90,000 future residents.
Raw steel gives way to lush, green communities, perfectly integrated with the industrial zones.
Every aspect of life here is engineered for sustainability and human well-being.
Residential towers are assembled in days using hyper-efficient modular construction.
Each module instantly connects to the city's water and power grids upon installation.
Crushing rock to make way for a fully concealed, zero-waste utility network. A revolutionary vacuum system instantly transports waste to advanced recycling centers.
Here, the circular economy is realized. Nothing is wasted. Everything is reused. As the pieces come together, Oxagon's true power is unleashed on the world.
The first pipelines of zero-emission fuel begin to flow.
Powering ships and industries with the cleanest energy source known to man.
Ships are fueled and loaded simultaneously, redefining maritime efficiency. Global leaders and American tech giants are already securing their place in the city.
Oxagon is the new nexus, seamlessly connecting the East and the West. Operating 24/7, the city never sleeps, driven by an unyielding AI. Its glowing waterways are a testament to Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030. The urban AI balances power loads in milliseconds, preventing any waste of energy. The urban AI balances power loads in milliseconds, preventing any waste of energy. Biotech and digital science sectors are fully operational, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge.
Inside, brilliant minds use quantum tech to solve the world's most complex industrial problems.
And this is just the beginning. The city is designed for infinite modular expansion. New dry docks are built to service the largest mega ships of the future. A colossal steel bridge locks the floating metropolis to the mainland. The final physical connections are secured by the hands of tireless workers. Autonomous transport now flows freely between the desert and the sea. Oxagon doesn't just power itself. It is the beating heart of the entire Neo-Mega region, designed to withstand the most extreme forces of nature.
The carbon fiber reinforced barriers laugh in the face of the ocean's wrath. Cargo moves at the speed of thought, bypassing traditional logistical bottlenecks.
Delivering advanced tech and clean energy directly to American shores.
An architectural masterpiece born from pure ambition.
Oxagon is projected to massively reduce the carbon footprint of global manufacturing. It is a destination not just for trade, but for the future of sustainable living.
The central AI tower stands as a monument to human and machine collaboration.
Processing every variable, every ship, every watt of power in real time. Connected by sea, by land, and by air, it is the ultimate global hub.
The gates are open. The future of industry has arrived. Where 13% of global trade passes, a new king has been crowned. A $50 billion dream, forged in steel and anchored in the sea. Built by the sweat of thousands, driven by the mind of artificial intelligence. This is the pinnacle of human achievement. This is the blueprint for tomorrow. The world's largest floating structure. The ultimate industrial revolution. This is Oxagon. And the world will never be the same.